Hi, welcome to this video on how to use Python to solve maths problems. In this video I'm going to show you how to save some numbers as variables and then how to do simple equations to solve problems. Okay, so to start off with, you can see that I'm on the Python Online Compiler, the link which I've put for you on Show My Homework and on Teams. Instead of using the Python program, you can use the Python program yourself, just simply go into Google and download and install it. But if you just want to simply use the online compiler, that's fine. That's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so getting started then, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to call that number A. I'm going to set that to be, let's say, 54. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another one. I'm going to call that number B. And I'm going to set that to be 76. And then I'm going to create a variable which is going to store the answer called answer. And I'm going to say answer equals number A plus number B. And then simply I can click on print. I'll type in print, I should say, print answer, and if I run that, it gives me the answer of 130. Now, what I can now do is I can use inputs rather than preset the number itself. So what I could do here is type in the word input, and I'm going to put some brackets there and some speech marks. Remember, every time I'm putting text in to be displayed on the screen, I have to put speech marks there so the computer knows that it's words to be put on the screen and not the name of an object. So input, and that's going to say enter a number, and I'm going to do the same again for number B, and I'm going to say input, enter a number. Okay, and then same again, print number A plus number B. Now, watch what happens here. So hopefully it should ask me to enter a number. So I'm going to put in 20, ask me for another number, 30, and it's printed the answer as 2030. Now, the reason why it's done that is because in computing, what you have to do is you have to tell the computer what kind of data you are working with, and its default position is to assume that something is text. So in this instance, what it's done is it's taken the number 20 that we've put there, thinking it's text, and added it to the number 30 as text, and so therefore it's just placed them next to each other. If you wanted to do an actual sum, you need to tell the computer that it's working with numbers. So the way that we do that is, coming back to where my answer is, I'm going to type the word int and then put my variable in brackets like that. Now int is short for integer. Okay, and if you remember from your maths lessons, an integer is a whole number. So by putting the word int in there, that's telling the computer the information that it's dealing with here is a number. So now when I run that, it's going to ask me to put in a number, so I'm going to type in my numbers again like that, hit enter, but this time it has given me 50. Okay, and there you have it. So if you want to create sums and formulas within Python there, we've got an input where we can enter numbers, and then we can do simple mathematical equations, just like you would write down in your maths book. But you need to remember to tell the computer that it's working with numbers, otherwise it will assume it's working with words. Okay.